I never ever do a dive and not find something really cool. I can't believe this, but every single dive, it doesn't matter. Every single dive, I'm out there and I find something. So today, I go down to check the glacial clay, see how things are looking, see if there's a change with the clay structure, and looking at it and seeing all the little holes and the little critters are still there. I have no idea. So the glacial clay that's 12,000 years old, that has all these really incredible stones that were different kinds of stones I've never seen. And I was talking to Gordon Crandall, and the archaeologist, and he told me that they were called travelers, and they actually were moving with this glacial clay, and it is so amazing. They're just like all sitting on these shelves, and in the little critters that I saw, that I thought I was going crazy because I kept seeing something go in and out, and I wanted to check to see if there was any difference with those little guys today. With your mask on, everything's magnified like 25%. And that's another reason why I could see like the little glacial clay critters so good. I just can't even believe it, but there's a safe. I found a safe, and it's embedded from the current pushing it into the side of the glacial clay. It's really old looking. It has like, I don't know, it's like really old castor type bottom. This is the third one I found on here so far, but this one's very different, and the door's off of it, but there's stuff in it. There's stuff in it, and I'm really excited about what's in it. I can't wait to find out. It seems to be like maybe some documents, but I couldn't reach them. I think maybe when the Hurricane Irene or something, maybe it pushed it, into this glacial clay, and I think the impact made the other contents in it come out. So there's things around the outside of it and the inside of the safe. And I found this thing, wait till you see this. It's like a stamp or something. Like, I turned it over and it had a lion's head on it. And I'm looking at, it's a lion's head, but it's some kind of a stamp or something. I don't even know what this is. So I'm really excited about it. I couldn't reach the other things inside of the safe, but there's some documents in there, and maybe they can be dried out. I'm not really sure, but I guess somebody stealing money or whatever would not care about all these incredible things, but these look old. I'm hoping whatever this thing is that I found can maybe tell us like the age of the safe. I don't know. This is such a mystery. I want to know who owns this safe, and I want to know what this thing is I found, and I want the rest of the stuff out of the safe. So, Bill Oswald's Historical Society, here I come again. Thank you so much for taking your time to do this.
Oh, sure. I just feel bad if I can't figure anything out.
Don't worry, you're trying, and we appreciate that. Larry Clark, as you know, has done the big cleaning job.
Yeah, I can't believe how clean it got.
I know, I can't either. Thank you, Larry. This is a mystery because it was outside that safe.
Even though it's corroded, we might get something.
Possibly. The mystery will be solved, of what this says. I'm going to donate it to the Historical Society. Do you have an idea?
So my idea was, before we do the impression, we try it out first. Mm-hmm. So we just used a piece of brass that had an impression and used the hot glue, and it came out perfect.
We're going to find out with this technique, an idea. And this is the first attempt, so it would be a miracle probably to have it,
Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God, it worked!
Oh my God, what does it say?
I don't know, I can't see it. I don't have my glasses.
Oh wait, oh my God. This is the very first attempt, and this is going to work, but it's the very first one, and there's a few letters we cannot see. But as you can see, I'm looking under this intense magnifying glass. It's very difficult to read this, but I'm gonna go find a mirror and see if it'll help. But we're gonna do a second imprint. I'm very, very thankful to, very, very thankful to these people helping me with this mystery, and Larry for cleaning it.
It is Daisy Circle.
Daisy, D-A-I-S-Y.
Number 1051. Capital C.
Yep.
Space of space another letter. Space of I period.
You've numbered them 1, 2,
Why?
3. This is so exciting, you guys. I'm so thankful. This is a mystery and a half.
This is history. We have minimal air bubbles in this one, so I think this will be a good one.
Number 4 sample is looking like it could be revealing.
Close.
I know. Oh my God, we're getting more one word at a time. They think they cracked the code.
We did indeed.
Circle of Foresters or something.
Circle of
Foresters of America.
We need to find out how this stamp is linked to that safe, because that safe that I found and this are together. This is exciting, is finding it underwater. Oh my goodness. We're just thinking about what else is in that safe.